Hello everyone, how to do it. So back with another new video, and in this video I will guide you how to change your password if you forget your current one. So I already logged in. If you don't know how to recover your password, then follow my next video. So this video I'll show you. So you can see more. Simply click on more and click the settings option, and then click the account center, personal details or password and security, and click the third option, password and security, and change password, and again continue. Then the current password, if you forgot it, then click forget your password. So we sent email, so they sent the code, reset code or link on your email, so you have to check on your email. Then you have to follow the following email, then you can change your password. But you have to know your email or contact info, otherwise you will not recover your password. So okay friend, today is normal, and see you in the next video.